How can you fucking embarrass yourself like that, dude? तसं नाही हो, तुम्ही एकदा शिकवलं धडा दिलात की जाणार ते. If it is in their fate, they will face it. Mic check. Okay, let's go. Another day. And another ride.
Wonderworld में जिक्र आया राह के नाम का.
Been a while, eh? Been a while. काफी time हो गया यार. I chickened out because of these rains, and I just couldn't dare to take my bike out in the rains. I know monsoons are like the mating season of bikers, but I know. I don't want to treat this bike like a princess, but well, दिल नहीं मानता है भाई. I can't see it dirty, so I took my car out wherever I had to go. Now that the sun is out finally, and I hope it doesn't rain today, I've taken the bike out after ages. Man, it feels good to ride this. I had gone home also for Ganpati. Man, this feels so good. Hamare Ramesh and Sharan have long gone, but then thanks to BMC, we've got special measures that make sure you have enough potholes. We have a long drawn collaboration with BMC, so you guys don't have to worry about. This tape has started to come off of these wraps. I need to get it fixed. भाई अभी थोड़े दिनों के लिए ध्यान नहीं रखा था मैंने इसका GT का, तो थोड़ा तो tantrums throw करेगी भाई. By the way, we've got dividers and all on these roads. They're bumpy as hell, but well, at least there are no potholes. Pot bumps आ गए. Pot bumps का कुछ नाम रखा जाए क्या? Suggest a few names for these pot bumps, because these are not potholes, they are just bumps, that rattle you up. Man, it feels so good. I feel alive. In a car, you're just in the rage. I wouldn't want to record myself in a car, dude. It is just rage towards everyone. Bus drivers, auto drivers, bikers. You're just frustrated in the car, man, in Mumbai. Hey, yaar. Literally sticking out like a sore thumb. I need to get it fixed somewhere. I had gone home, and during Ganpati, there almost half of the people of Mumbai go to Konkan during Ganpati. There were so many MH01, 02, 03, 04 cars at my hometown, and man, these guys have absolutely no civic sense, absolutely no road sense. Kankavali drivers, local drivers are far more superior than these Mumbaikers. They used to park in the middle of the road somewhere, used to unnecessarily speed, and I judged the out of everyone, really. भाई बिल्कुल भी civic sense नहीं है. My dad always used to bicker about it, about Mumbaikers coming to Konkan and just ruining the traffic altogether. And I never used to understand. But now when I went back home, I did realize what he meant by that. People are parking on the firstly, the roads back home are very narrow, right? So people are parking on the middle of the road, blocking the entire traffic, stopping anywhere, just slowing down for no reason to see. It's like they've come in a jungle safari, slowing down, checking out things here and there, and then going. I need to get my bike washed, dude. I mean, I do clean it in the morning, but then it has still gotten quite dirty. अरे ये कौन सी इंटरसेप्टर है भाई? After having such names of motorcycles, you often forget that these words also mean something. Interceptor, Avenger, Splendor. Wow, man, I actually realize it now. Never thought about it that way. GT650 doesn't mean shit. Gran Turismo. Man, I missed this, dude. I missed this also. क्या बात है. Mumbai traffic is such that the peak hour is just not worth it, dude. You either leave super early or you leave super late. It is past 12 now. Thank you, man. I didn't realize where he was thumbs upping. Thumbs upping. Oh, that was a fucking aura minus 200.
ये मैनली नहीं है यार.
What the fuck? How can you fucking embarrass yourself like that, dude? I can't face that guy now. God damn.
Hello there.
Hi. Hi. No response. End task. Hey, he's waving. Come on. Hi. थोड़ा सा स्लो है इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर बट अच्छा है. IM, is this the M340i? Holy, oh 330 Li. Okay, they honestly look very close, huh? Oh damn! Look at the poise at which it is coming, dude. Such stable, beautiful. अरे बाप रे, you can't beat this. तू डिफेंडर होगा अपने घर पे, मैं हूँ डिफेंडरर.
Like it, Raisa?
Later that same evening.
I'm just done, man. I'm just completely done with this life. There's nothing left. With whatever little hope that I have in nature, I don't know why I just cave to all of these false promises, to the facade that nature, you know, shows and makes you fall for it. सुबह इतना ज़्यादा सनी था और अभी देखो.
धन्यवाद बस, हम जीजी रही.
हो गई भाई, बैंड बज गई मेरे बाइक की. इतना मेहनत से साफ करने के बाद कोई मतलब नहीं. Holy mother of God, what the heck? Where did you? Holy sh! What? That was a fancy car with a fancy number. अरे ठीक है, I don't mind. I don't actually mind. बस वो आ जाए बाहर आगे. That red bloody, god damn, that was beautiful. And the number was also fancy, huh? 5555. किसका है वो? Tell me guys. अरे यार, these flock of rickshaws are not letting me look at that.
कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया.
Cool guy. But respect to these people, huh? I mean, be it rains, be it sun, acting with so much energy. भाई सूरज देवता. Oh. Yeah, never mind. Oh, who is she? Thank you. Holy smokes. Wow. Maybach just casually sitting there. It's a nice, not a Nardo grey, but there's some name to this grey. It is called something. What a great insight, Anurag. What a great insight. It is called something. Look at this beautiful technology by BMZ. This block is 40% GST. That's your 40% GST in physical form. You can get it for yourself as well and keep it at home as a souvenir. You know. क्या बात है. sea facing road. That's your 40% GST in liquid form.
Fucking, you are fucking. You fucking, you.
क्या चल रहा है भाई? पूरी ओड़ा ओड़ी लगा रखी है इधर. Nice. This is actually for the footpath shenanigans. You know, he must be saying, "Arey, that's a delivery guy." Well, I've got mixed opinions. I mean, I kind of understand why he's in a hurry, but I also hate the fact that he's riding over a footpath. So, moral dilemma, इसको बोलते. There's some crazy negotiation going on right now. जाऊ द्या साहेब, मी इकडचंच आहे, मला घाई होती, कस्टमर वेट कर रहा है. Hey, I am a street photographer. Can I take a picture of yours? एक और आना चाहिए यार. There will be such good content for us. बस एक और. There's one coming. There's one guy coming. Oh, that's a genius. Look at that. I should flash at them and tell them, Will it be too audacious of me? Will it be too evil of me? I'll go tell him. ओ दादा, इथं फुटपाथवर आहेत बघा, पाठीमागे भरपूर येत आहेत फुटपाथवरून. नाही ते तिकडनं उतरणार ते फुटपाथवरून.
आले तर जमून आता मग हे करा. कसं आहे, पब्लिक कंप्लेंट असते.
तसं नाही हो, तुम्ही एकदा शिकवला धडा दिलात की जाणार ते. Well, he's hesitant to go. I hate being a snitch, but I had to do this out of rage. Out of rage towards these footpath enthusiasts. And that's very like, it is very evident that these guys know that there are cops over there. So that is why they've stopped there. But once the traffic ends up emptying, they are going to get off the footpath and quickly pretend as if there's nothing happening. And these guys also know that. They're lazy to go there and find them. So are you really defending the purpose, or are you just trying to make a quick buck?
I guess we'll never know.
And what do I get for being an honest? Just a tap on my shoulders. Bhalai ka zamana hi nahi raha, guys. Crazy, man. Like they're like, they'll come. If it is in their fate, they will face it. Otherwise, we don't care. Otherwise, we are just here, to chill kind of police. All said and done, it doesn't feel good to be a snitch, but well, I had to, man. You either die a hero or live long enough to, become a snitch. Hi. That was very awkward. I was actually going to confront, but then he was like, hi. See, as long as the road is empty, it is fine, dude. Like, you can clearly see that there's traffic oncoming. So just don't, na. And no matter what I say, I'm gonna end up looking as a hypocrite, where I did not confront where I should have. साला अपने subscribers की तरफ partiality करता है. Damn, that's a BMW. Let me guess. Is this the 330Li or the 340i? It's very difficult. Very difficult. I can't really make out a BMW. This is not a 340i for sure. This is some different trim. Which one is it? 330Li. Yay! See? Quite precise.
Bonus.
There's one chance, one opportunity. No. And that opportunity has gone.
Take two.
One chance, one opportunity. Nope. I know, I mean, it is redundant of me doing this. It is not safe, guys. Please never do this. But abhi bhai ho gaya bhai frustrate mein. Traffic mein. It is terrific. The traffic is terrific.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.